I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me. Lynx is a conqueror. No, I'm Alexander. He's no Alexander. I'm the best ever. There's never been anybody else. I'm Sonny Liston.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a little mod for the Evo. So it's not gonna be nothing major, but I'm gonna put some Takata seat harnesses. I wanna give a huge shout out to Gus from Chicago with the Silver Evo for hooking me up with that deal. I couldn't pass it, and I actually bought this like 4 months ago, and I haven't even installed them. So it's time to put them on. And man, I got so bored. I was like, I need more content for the channel. So I was like, I got some harnesses in the back of the car. This quarantine is killing me, man. But well, yeah, guys, I'm gonna be taking you guys during the process of installing the harnesses. So thank you guys for watching. RIP to the B. So my brother decided to sell the skinnies to my boy Rigo, and now he on Jackson's. But man, I just hope that he fixes it soon. It sucks seeing the B down like this. And here they are. Hello, Avi. So right now I'm gonna try to figure it out how to put it on. It's hard, but let's get it. We're gonna be removing the seat, and I'm using a 14. So let's get it. Man, it just sucks when you don't have the right tools, but I'm gonna get there. Oh my god. Woo. So far I got 2 screws out. I need 2 more for this side. I'm just gonna take the seat out and put in the harness. So, and then put the seat back up. But low-key I wanna take the seat out. I'm not sure yet, but I always need a passenger to be recording me, so I don't think I'm gonna take it out yet. Probably later on. But yeah, we got 3 screws out. Let's get it. Alright, so right now I'm struggling on removing the seat, so I'm gonna give a call to Gus to see if he can help me out. I'm gonna call him right now. I think he's busy. I don't know if he's gonna pick up. I'm gonna try to give him a call right now. Let me see. Hi. Hey. Hi, wait. Hey, bro. I'm trying to install the seat harnesses, pero ¿cómo, güey?
Let me call you back like in 20 minutes.
I bet.
Alright,
Alright, bro, peace out. Alright, so he's gonna give me a call back like in 20 minutes. So I guess we're gonna have to wait 20 minutes. So right now I'm just gonna go inside, chill for a little bit. And man, this has been a pain in the butt. Right now I just took this bolt out, and then I'm supposed to take one in the middle, the last bolt, but I have to take out the center console. So that's why I'm like, nah, I'm gonna give him a call back. Hopefully he knows a better way to do it. We're gonna go inside, chill for a little bit. I'll see you guys later, like in 20 minutes, I guess 25. Be calling. Let's see what he says. ¿Qué pasó, coño? Huh?
what up?
Pues yeah, bro, I'm trying to put this pero pues, fuck.
Come on, bro, they go, you already know where they go. We're just right by.
Alright, so like 30 minutes passed and Gus finally gave me a call back. And it's basically the same thing that I was doing. He told me to remove the bolts from the seat belt. So I'm gonna have to remove that bolt and put the harness in there. And then to remove this one too, but as you guys can see, I got no space at all. So I gotta remove this console. So you open it, and I have to remove these 2 screws, and hopefully that works out. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So stay tuned. So I removed the bolts, and now I gotta take the console. Got my cousin texting me, bro. I'm telling you, this cuarentena, it's, oh my god, bro. He got me bored as hell. Oh, never mind. He's saying that he has to work tomorrow. So, damn, for real shit. But yeah, let's take this off. Thought it was gonna be harder, but it's easy. So let's take this out. Woo! Man, that was easy. Jeez, I'll be making my life complicated. Man, this is dirty. But so we took it off, and that gives me more space to take this bolt off. So let's get it. And as you guys may know, I don't have the right tools, so I'm gonna try my best to get that out right now. Actually, I don't think I have to take the whole seat out. I just have to take out the console. But I'm gonna see right now. Yep, never mind. I gotta take the whole seat out. And this extension actually don't really work because as you guys can see, the little ball in here is not like hooking into the socket. So that makes it harder. Thank you guys for watching. I know times are tough right now with the coronavirus, but I appreciate you guys for watching it. And I'm also making this content so you guys can get a little bit of entertained, see something new, something different. But yeah, man, I just want this coronavirus to go away so we can go back to normal days, going to car meets, going everywhere without having to worry about getting infected. And also, thank you guys for subscribing. Right now I'm like at 89 subscribers, and I'm about to hit 500. So thank you guys, I really appreciate it. I remove the middle console, then this one. So a ver, yeah, I need some tools. Wow, he came in clutch after I struggled time. He was sleeping, so we got my done kiss. Okay. So he finally came in, clutch. But I'm gonna do the other side right now. Alright, so my brother finally came in clutch with a new extension. So this one actually works. As you can see it, little ball does go in. So we good. But it's gonna be useful for the other seat. It's kind of heavy. Oh, never mind. It's lightweight. Alright. But right now it's 6:47, and I gotta go to church right now. And since the coronavirus started, I actually don't go to church. We do like Skype, so it's basically online church. And it just started. Well, I'm gonna go inside there at 7 before my parents get mad. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little break again. It's gonna be like the 3rd break that I take. But well, we're gonna finish this today. I promise you that. After we go to church, we gotta pray to God that everything is good. And this one, I think this one's so this is a 14 for the 4 corners to take out the seat. But for this, I think it's gonna be I think it's a 17. And I have it in the back. 17. Yeah, 17. So we good. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna put 17 on. Alright, we good. Alright, this makes life way easier. Shout out to my brother for coming out last minute. He was taking a nap. So, man, I'm gonna take a quick little break. Probably like, I think it's gonna be like an hour. Service is like an hour. So, probably 30-40 minutes. But But I'll be back. So I'm gonna leave everything how it is right now, and I'll see you guys later. What? Alright, so bye bye to the OEM ones. Some have sensors, right?
Yeah, some of them. I mean, I don't think your car does.
Damn, cut. En lo que es eso, I'm gonna put the bolts in.
You don't need back seats.
Ready, kid. Passing the street.
Okay, I'm scared. They're gonna shoot at y'all.
What? So right now, we did the same thing for the front seat, but the front seat had a sensor, so we still have the both seat belts. So it's gonna be the harnesses and the normal seat belt. And for the passengers, just the harness. Since it didn't have a sensor, so I just took it off. How does it look? It looks good? Man, it looks so badass.
Good.
Nice, nice.
Okay. Let's take a look.
We're gonna see how it feels. Alright. So I guess you just put it on like this. Damn.
Perfectly?
Yeah, this is perfect. It's good. I was gonna make some adjustments on the back. But how does it look?
That's good.
So that's the smallest? It looks good. I just have to move this to adjust it even more. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty good. Here we have Chico and Buddy. What up, Chico? What up, buddy? Right now, I'm about to take him out, and I'm gonna back up. And man, it's 9:38, and I started doing this like at 5 p.m. But I took a lot of breaks. So next time, if I'm gonna be doing something, I'm definitely not gonna take a break so I can finish faster. But thank you, Gustavo, for hooking it up. I really appreciate it, bro. And Carlos. So right now I'm taking the dog out. Let's go. Vámonos. And I have expired tags, so that means that I cannot be driving the Evo right now. But hopefully I get a new plate soon. We'll see. Probably another paper tags, but we'll see what happens. Here she is. She's chopping real good. You guys got it? For Avi?
Now it's tighter from here.
You good, Avi? You like that?
Now we need the other side. But from here, yeah. Okay, I see you.
Finally done installing the harnesses, and I was so tired of my back. It's like it hurts a lot, but the car looks good, so that's all that matters. And also, one of the reasons why I like the harnesses a lot is because the first time that I saw him was on Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift. As you guys may know, you guys you guys can see the red Evo and the green Takata harnesses. So it looks so dope. I was like, ever since I was a little kid, I was like, oh my god, one day I'm gonna have that car with that harnesses, and we're making it happen. So even though my car doesn't have like the same things as the one on Fast and Furious, I'm getting close to it, but I don't really want to do the same look. I want to do something different, unique. But you guys get the point. So I want to give a huge shout out to you guys for watching. I hope you guys are doing good with this quarantine. And man, I'll see you guys on the next one.